everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about product comparison tool. So product comparison tool that empowers customers to easily evaluate multiple products side by side. This feature enhances the shopping experiences and aid in informed decision making. So to enable this tool, let's navigate into the website module. From there, we just need to head into the configuration settings. And under the general settings, we can just enable this. So we have section called shop product, and from there we just need to enable the product comparison tool. So this allows the shoppers to compare the products based on their attributes. So once this is enabled, we can just manage this feature from our website. So let's move on to the e-commerce. From there, you can move on to the shop, or under the site. Here you can find the home page and let's manage with it. So let's move on to the shop, and here you would be able to find the product comparison tool is just enabled. And always keep in mind that we can only just have a comparison with the product that are having variants. As a customizable desk have the product variants, here you can see that button. But in case of the product chair flow protection, here you can see that it does not contain any variants, so you cannot find that button over here. I'm going to choose a product conference chair over here. So let's choose a product, and we just need to add the item into the cart, to the comparison. So let me add that, and here you would be able to see that you can compare maximum 4 products only, and all those comparisons are added over here. Now, if you want to further have a comparison, you can just click on compare over here. So on the website page, you will have to do with a comparison, and this can easily compare the product that you want to compare, and compared product will be added to the compare menu, and later on we can just have the comparison side by side with the selected product. So we can just view all these multiple product attribute with the prices, image and description in a clear and concise format. So you can just quickly switch between the product to focus on a specific details, and this gives you an informed decision for purchasing by comparing key features and prices, by providing a seamless and intuitive shopping. So I would like to add conference chair steel, and let me add that, and I would like to purchase the customizable desk with aluminum white. So let me add that also. So currently we have added all those items to the cart. Now let's view the cart, and let's move on with the checkout process, and let's go with pay with demo, and let's make the payment. So this always increases the accuracy in comparison by making sure your products have a relevant attribute defined, and it also shows the high quality products images and can significantly impact the comparison experiences. So I hope this video clarifies how to make the product comparison tool, or how to make use of this product comparison tool in Odoo 18 website. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.